Solitaire Cash and Cash Giraffe have completely different fee structures. Solitaire Cash can involve entry fees for cash tournaments, while Cash Giraffe uses a rewards model where you play eligible games and redeem the gems you earn. By the end, you'll know where fees can appear on each app, what to check before spending money or time, and which option is simpler if keeping costs low is your priority. Start with Cash Giraffe. Cash Giraffe is built around playing eligible mobile games and earning gems for qualifying activity. You don't need to enter a paid tournament to use the basic reward system. That makes its fee structure straightforward. You're generally exchanging your time and gameplay for rewards rather than paying an entry fee to compete for a cash prize. The exact redemption options and requirements can change. So check the rewards section inside the app before committing time to a particular game. Now look at Solitaire Cash. Solitaire Cash uses competitive solitaire tournaments. Some tournaments are free, while cash tournaments can require an entry fee. That entry fee is the biggest cost difference between the two apps. If you enter a paid Solitaire Cash tournament, you're putting money into a competition where your final result determines whether you receive a prize. A winning payout can be higher than what you'd earn from a basic game reward app, but you also have the possibility of losing the entry amount. Cash Giraffe doesn't work that way. You're not buying a tournament entry to earn gems. Instead, the app tracks qualifying activity in supported games and credits rewards based on the applicable offer. So if your definition of lower fees means lowest direct cost to start earning, Cash Giraffe has the simpler model. If you're comfortable paying an entry fee for the possibility of a larger cash prize, Solitaire Cash gives you a completely different type of experience. There's another cost people often overlook: time. Cash Giraffe rewards depend on the games and offers available to you, so you should compare the gem reward with the amount of gameplay required. With Solitaire Cash, compare the tournament entry fee with the advertised prize structure before entering. Don't assume a large prize means the tournament is automatically better value. Your location can also affect availability, eligibility, and which features you can use on either platform. So the verdict is simple. Cash Giraffe is the better choice if your priority is avoiding paid tournament entry fees. Solitaire Cash is better suited to players who specifically want competitive solitaire and are willing to consider paid tournaments. Before choosing, open both apps and check the current terms, available rewards, and any applicable fees. If keeping your out-of-pocket cost at zero is the priority, start with Cash Giraffe. If you're considering Solitaire Cash, use free options first and understand the tournament rules before paying an entry fee. Like the video and subscribe for more reward app comparisons.